Okay, repeat.
Yeah.
Izina niryo muntu.
Izina niryo muntu.
Wow. Nice one. Sharp one. Sharp guy.
Go another. What does it mean? What does it mean again?
A name defines a person.
Okay, a name defines a person. Okay.
Yeah, ready for the another one?
Yeah, I'm ready for another challenge.
Okay, Tony. Yeah. Now let's try Kinyarwanda classic tongue twister.
Okay, tongue twister.
Are you ready?
Do you have tongue twister in Kinyarwanda?
Are you ready?
I'm ready, man. I'm ready.
Okay. So you're going to repeat. Umuganga yanyuze mu muhanda ng'amata.
Umuganga yanyuze mu muhanda. Did I get it correct?
You tried, my friend. Umuganga yanyuze mu muhanda ng'amata.
Umuganga yanyuze mu muhanda
ng'amata.
Oh, ng'amata.
Umuganga yanyuze mu muhanda
ng'amata.
The doctor passed through the road drinking milk.
Okay, the doctor passed through the road drinking milk.
Umuganga yanyuze mu muhanda ng'amata.
Umuganga yanyuze mu muhanda ng'amata.
Okay? Yeah.